Thinking about starting a business, but you're not sure if you should incorporate now or wait until the money starts rolling in? You're not alone. This is one of the most common questions we get asked from new entrepreneurs in the UK. So today, we're going to answer it. Hi, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we help turn your business idea into a fully compliant limited company without the jargon and the headaches. So, let's get straight to it. The short answer is not necessarily, but in many cases, it's a smart move. Here's why. Forming a limited company early can give your business immediate credibility. Whether you're pitching to investors, applying for a business bank account, or negotiating with suppliers, having LTD after your name shows you're serious. Incorporating means your business is a separate legal entity. That gives you limited liability, which means your personal assets are protected if things go wrong. Even if you're not making money yet, that legal separation matters from day one. Once you start generating income, trading as a limited company can be more tax efficient. Depending on your circumstances and profits, you can actually end up paying less income tax than you would do as a sole trader. Plus, you can structure your salary and dividends more strategically. If you form your company early, you can also start recording pre-trading expenses. That includes things like equipment, software, travel, or even branding. So long as they're directly related to setting up the business, these can be deducted once you start trading, reducing your taxable profits. If you're still in the testing idea phase and you haven't spent a penny and there's no clear income on the horizon, it might make sense to wait. Forming a company brings responsibilities. Filing annual accounts to Companies House, submitting a confirmation statement, registering for corporation tax, potentially registering for VAT if you hit the threshold or choose to voluntarily register, and maintaining proper records and compliance. This is where Your Company Formations can help. We don't just register your company, we make sure it's done properly. From helping you choose the right structure, like LTD versus sole trader, which incidentally, we have a video on our channel here. So go and check that out after this one. To handling filings and Companies House, to optional add-ons like registered office services and VAT registration, we make the entire process stress-free and fully compliant. We've helped thousands of UK startups form with confidence, and we can do the same for you. Should you incorporate before you start making money? In many cases, the answer is yes, but make sure you do it for the right reasons and with the right support. If you're ready to start your business the right way, check out the link in the description below or hit subscribe for more straightforward UK business advice. Good luck with your venture and thanks for watching.